Hi guys. This is Tech. Are you wondering what are the new features of the newly released Windows 11? This is it. We are going to install this operating system and test what are the new amazing features. Before you proceed, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. I already created a bootable USB flash drive and booted it up. Notice that the logo has been changed with a nice looking one. For the installation process, it is most likely identical with Windows 10. Choose your preferred language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method, then click Next. Click Install now to proceed. You may enter your license key if you have one. In my case, I don't have one, so I will choose I don't have a product key. Select the operating system and architecture you want to install, then click Next. Now, you must accept the license agreement, then click Next to proceed. We have the option to upgrade, install Windows and keep files, settings, and applications. And the second option is Advanced. It's a complete new Windows installation. We will choose option 2. You can create new partition or use the whole disk. I will just show you how to create partitions. Select the disk, then click New. Enter your preferred partition size. This would be for your operating system disk or your drive C. We will give 60 GB just for this demo. In my case, Windows 11 occupied approximately 17.7 GB of my disk space. Click Apply. It will tell you that it will create additional partitions for your system file. Click OK to proceed. Now, click on the unallocated space, then click New. You can create multiple partitions if you want. We will just use this remaining disk space for our file storage. Now, make sure to select the partition for your operating system before you click Next, which in my case is the 60 GB or partition 3, click Next. Now, you have to wait for it to finish the installation. This will takes time, depends on your computer specifications. I will fast forward the video. Your computer will automatically reboot. This process onwards has been changed comparing to Windows 10. Select your region, then click Yes. Select your keyboard layout or input method, then click Yes. You can add or skip the second keyboard. You have two setup options, setup for personal use or setup for work or school. In my case, I will choose first option for personal use. Click Next to proceed. Now, you must sign in to your Microsoft account. You can create an account if you don't have one. We don't have the option to skip this step. Next is we have to create a Windows PIN. We don't have the option to skip this step as well. A Windows Hello PIN as a fast, secure way to sign in to your device, apps, and services. Enter your desired PIN. You have the option to include letters and symbols. Click OK once done. Now, choose your privacy settings for your device. This will be based on your likings. Once done, click Accept. You have the option to customize your experience settings. You can choose multiple options. We also have the option to skip this step if you want to do it later. Next process is we have the option to automatically store files in OneDrive. This will save space on your PC, protect your files and access them anywhere. Second option is only store files on the device. It will not be saved on the OneDrive. Click Next to continue. Now wait for it to finish the installation process. Fantastic! We are now running Windows 11. First let's check the Windows version. You can see we are running Windows 11 Pro. First thing that will catch your eye is the taskbar. Notice the icons are in the middle. Let's check first the Windows Start button. Notice the beautiful round edges. Also you can see the current user at the bottom left, and the right is the power button. We have new applications pre-installed, the Photoshop, PixArt, News, Netflix, etc. You can click the apps at the top to view all the applications installed. Next is the search button. You can see it's been simplified comparing to Windows 10. Next is the task view, which has been moved at the bottom. You can add multiple virtual desktop. Next is the new added widgets, File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and lastly the Microsoft Store. Let's open the File Explorer and the Microsoft Edge. Now, point your mouse to the maximize button or square icon. Notice these beautiful amazing features. A new way to multitask. You can point and click where you want to reposition the window. You can choose split screen, group mode, etc. Next is right-click on the desktop. You have the option to open in Windows Terminal. Let me add first the Windows icons for us to check if we have new updates. Indeed, Windows 11 brought us these new nice looking desktop icons. Let's open first the user folder. Notice that all the icons has been updated. Next is the computer. All the icons has been updated with fresher and cooler icons, even the disk icon. Even the quick access has been changed with these lovely icons. Next is the undo features. We will create a new folder. We will give a name of files. Let's delete the folder. Now, right-click on desktop and you have the option to undo delete. Notice the files folder has been restored. Let's test to create multiple folders. We will delete first the files 1 folder, next is the files 2 folder. Now, let's undo delete. Notice the files 2 folder which we last deleted has been restored. Undo delete one more time and the files 1 folder will also be restored. Lastly, let's create another folder. We will name it Jack. Now, right-click anywhere on the desktop and you have the option to undo rename. Notice the name has been reverted back to new folder. Well, that's all for today's demonstration and I really hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.